Hi there, welcome to the newer section of Power Query Power BI Desktop. In this section, we are going to discuss sort and filter. Let's go to Power Query editor page. Here in the Home tab, we get this sort option. Sort is used to change the order of the data or to organize the data. Using sort option, we can change the alphabetical order of a text column from A to Z or Z to a numerical column from largest to smallest or smallest to largest, a date and time column from oldest to newest or vice versa. To sort any column in Power Query, we have to select that column first. Let's sort this product column. For that, let's select the column, then go to Home tab and this sort. Let's make it as Z to A. Here we can see that all the records of product column are arranged in alphabetical order from Z to A, and the records of other columns are also arranged with reference to the product column. Similarly, we can sort numerical column from smallest to largest and largest to smallest. Let's sort this complaint ID column. For that, select that column, then go to Home tab. Let's make it as smallest to largest, and here you go. Similarly, we can sort this date column. Now let's talk about filter. In each and every column header, we get this small icon. This small icon represents filter in Power Query. Filter is used to selectively block out data that we don't want to see. The data will be there in the table, but we cannot see the data that we have blocked until we remove filter. Let's click over here the filter icon in complaint ID. Here we get various options. We can also sort data using filter. This is the same sort option that we have discussed earlier in this video. We use this remove empty filter option to remove empty cells from a column. Here in the subproduct column, we can see some empty cells. Let's remove that using filter. For that, let's go to this filter icon over here in the subproduct column. Then select remove empty. Here we can see that all the empty cells are removed from subproduct column, and all the other columns are also blocked data with reference to the subproduct column. To remove filter, click on this filter icon, then select clear filter. Let's discuss about other options. For numerical column, this filter is a number filter. For date column, this filter is a date filter. And for text column, this filter is a text filter. This number filter, text filter or date filter is used for conditional filtering. Let's see with an example. Let's select this contains option from here. We can select any option based on our requirement. Let's filter the record based on product, mortgage and credit card. Keep rows where product contains mortgage or contains credit card. Then click OK. Here in product column, you can see only three products: mortgage, credit card or prepaid card and credit card. Similarly, to filter records, we can use this search option over here, or we can select or unselect these check boxes from here. Let's select only credit card, then click OK. To remove filter, just go over here, then go to here, clear filter, and it's done. We can also apply multiple filters. For example, we want to see the issue based on mortgage product and for the year 2017. Let's filter only mortgage from product column. Then let's filter the date. We don't want 2018 data. So let's unselect that, then click OK. Here we can see issues only for the product mortgage for the year 2017. Sort and filter in Power BI is similar to sort and filter in Excel. You can also refer to my Excel video on sort and filter. Link is provided in the description. That's all for this video. Thank you.